In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up offline conversion tracking in Google Ads. By the end, you'll understand the clicks to make and what each one does, so you can confidently connect your real-world leads and sales back to your campaigns. First, open your Google Ads account. Make sure you're signed in with access to manage conversions, since we're about to create a new conversion action for offline data. From the main navigation, click Goal to open the measurement area, then click Conversion. This takes you into the space where Google Ads records and reports the actions you care about. Now click Summary. The summary view gives you a clear snapshot of existing conversion actions and is the starting point for creating a new one. Next, click Create Conversion Action. This begins a guided setup so Google Ads knows what kind of conversion you're bringing in. When prompted to choose how you track conversions, click Conversion Offline. Offline conversions are perfect when your ads generate leads online, but the actual sale or qualified lead is confirmed later in your CRM, on the phone, or in person. Mark it as check to confirm this selection, so Google Ads treats this as an imported offline event rather than something measured by a website tag. Now click Edit Data Source. Here you're telling Google Ads where your offline conversions will come from, such as a CRM or other back-office system. If Google offers additional tag setup guidance that's not needed for offline imports, click Skip this step. Skipping here is common because you'll be importing completed conversions instead of relying on a site tag to fire the final event. Before finishing, click Turn on Enhanced Conversions for Leads. This optional feature securely hashes lead information, like email or phone, so Google Ads can more accurately match your imported conversions to ad interactions. It improves reporting and bidding performance while maintaining privacy protections. Just make sure that the lead data you import aligns with your consent and compliance policies. Finally, click Save and Continue. Your offline conversion action is now set up and ready to receive imported data. From here, you can follow your preferred import method, such as scheduled uploads from a CRM to send in conversions with the right identifiers and timestamps, so Google Ads can attribute them correctly. That's it. You've created an offline conversion action, selected the right data source, opted into enhanced conversions for leads, and saved everything. With this in place, your campaigns can optimize toward what truly matters: real, qualified outcomes that happen beyond your website.